friends, welcome back to Lessons with Twins. So today we'll be talking about India. India is a peninsula.
Okay.
It's a country.
So show me, why is it a peninsula?
Because it has water on its three sides. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. So it is in the continent Asia. Its capital is New Delhi, right here.
Anchi, can you tell me something? Anu, do you know the population?
It has 130 crore people. That's a lot.
Yes. Anchi, can you tell me something about why India was called the Golden Bird?
India was called the Golden Bird because it was rich. And very rich. And how do you get rich? By money. And from where does that money come? From business. And
For business, what do we need?
products.
Okay. And how do we make those products? With the
Raw material. It had a lot of stones and gems like redstone and lapis and diamond and gold and emeralds.
Okay. All right. So we're going to talk about few states.
Okay.
All right.
Punjab for fighting.
Can you read this part? Oh, yes, Punjab. Punjab for fighting.
We'll sing a song about that.
All right, I can help you with this. I can't see both of you together, so just close, get together.
दरबारों पे सिर वार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है. And the people of Punjab are very brave.
Okay.
Bengal for writing.
Show me Bengal. Where is Bengal?
Bengal.
Okay. Bengal for writing. Why?
Because the most famous in Bengal is Rabindranath Tagore.
Look here. You know,
And-
you don't have to look into the sheet.
And
We have
he
already
won the Nobel Award for Literature. He wrote the national anthem for India and Bangladesh.
Why did he write for Bangladesh?
Because before Bangladesh was part of India.
Well,
And if you guys, some of you,
Where is
most of
Bangladesh?
you didn't know that
Here's Bangladesh. This was Bengal. This still here is India. Yeah. Sorry, you were saying something?
I guess most of you know that Bangladesh was separated from India. Or all of you.
Okay. So earlier this entire thing was Bengal. The eastern part was moved away as, what is Desh in Hindi? English means? Country. So the Bengal, it became its own country called Bangladesh. And the western part of Bengal was still part of India. So it's called West Bengal.
Even though it's in the east.
Yeah, even though it's in the east, but this was west of Bengal, right? This when you divide Bengal to this part of
Even
west.
Nepal was part of India, but China took it all.
China didn't take over Nepal. Okay, let's move here. So we did Punjab for fighting, Bengal for writing,
And Kashmir for
beauty.
The boats are called Shikara.
Louder, please.
Kashmir is called Heaven on Earth.
Why?
Because that state is so beautiful.
Today we saw a lot of videos and beautiful Kashmir, right? Gulmarg and all, Sonmarg. So many margs were there. Where is it? Come on, show me. Where is that Gulmarg and Sonmarg?
Gulmarg and Sonmarg.
And what is the capital of Jammu?
Jammu is Jammu.
Jammu is Jammu. And Kashmir is?
Srinagar. Jammu is over here.
Yeah. And Srinagar is? Kashmir is Srinagar. Alright. Let's
Where
move
is Leh? Where is
Let's
Leh?
move on. The beyond this part over here. Okay. Okay. So we have done. This is not what we were doing. Oh, you're done with Kashmir. Okay. Let's move on. Then we have.
Andhra for duty.
Show me Andhra Pradesh and the map.
Andhra
Very
for
good.
duty. In India, there's so many Pradesh.
Yes.
Andhra Pradesh.
Why Andhra for duty?
Because the people of Andhra Pradesh are very sincere in their job.
Very good. So moving on. Andhra for duty.
Haryana for
So
milk.
show me Haryana. Where is Haryana?
There.
Bim, bim, bim. Okay. Haryana for milk. Why Haryana for milk? Anshi will tell me now.
Because Haryana for milk. Haryana has very good quality and maximum number of buffalo for milk.
Okay.
Vita milk is the biggest in Haryana.
It's the biggest one.
Karnataka for silk.
Karnataka. So where is Karnataka? I can't see Karnataka.
Karnataka also.
Ah, there is. And where is Bangalore?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And okay. So tell me about silk. Karnataka for silk.
And we live in Karnataka.
Yes,
and
we live in Bangalore. There is a place in Bangalore called.
DLF.
No.
Akshanagar.
No. About silk.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
What was it called?
Silk board.
Silk board. And which is the best silk?
Best is Mysore silk.
Where is Mysore? Show me Mysore.
Mysore.
Bangalore ke paas?
Mysore. This is the best silk.
What is it called? From
Mulberry.
which worm? Mulberry worm. Very good. All right, moving on.
Mulberry.
So after Karnataka for silk, we have.
Kerala for braid.
Where is Kerala?
Kerala is over
Kerala
there.
is here.
It's very small, but it has the most people that study.
Very good education.
Goa is the smallest.
What is the literacy rate in Kerala that we saw?
96.2.
Yes, 96.2%. That means 96 out of 100 people
Study.
there. Very good. It is a very good thing. Moving on. After Kerala, why education is important and why it had dipped down? You remember something? What did the Britishers do?
Britishers destroyed schools.
Why did
And
they
took
destroy
all
that?
in for education.
Why did they not want Indians to be educated?
Then we would become dumb and can't fight. And even we would become servants for them.
Oh, servants, my God, that's a big word. Yeah, so
And
earlier
Britishers-
Indians were very, very, very educated, very sharp,
Very,
brilliant. Yes.
India was the best in the world before.
That's why they attacked.
And can I show
right?
you something in the map?
Yes.
Britishers took all their stones away in the water.
They went through here, yes.
And even they went through the golden temple like this.
Oi, this is Mysore Palace. Golden Temple South में कैसे आ जाएगा?
Oh yeah, Mysore Palace.
All right. So Kerala for brains.
Brains.
What do we have next?
Tamil for grains.
Tamil Nadu for grains. Why Tamil Nadu for grains?
All 4 states over here have something special.
Yes. In fact, every state of country has something special. Every state is
All
amazing.
29.
Yes. We have not done all 29 today, but majorly we are doing. Whatever is left, we'll do later. Ouch, just a- Okay, so why Tamil Nadu for grains?
Because
Mm-hmm.
the country's 9 main grains, we're talking about India right now.
Okay.
Its 9 main grains are grown in Tamil Nadu.
Very good. And that's
Mostly.
in abundance. Abundance means in a lot. Okay,
Yeah.
moving on to next. Then we have.
Orissa for temple.
Where is Odisha?
Orissa for
Odisha. Why Odisha is famous for temple? Who's gonna tell me? Ansh. Question for you.
Because it also has the Sun Temple.
Sun temple. It's also called the Ayan.
Konark Temple.
Right. Correct. So why? What's special about
Sun
the Konark
rises from here. Wait.
Yes, sun rises from east. So what happens?
Wait, boop.
Who's gonna tell me what happens then?
Me. So you can So there is actually a gate from where you see the sunrise.
That Konark temple window that we saw. Very
Yeah.
good. Yes.
And even you can see the sunrise from there.
Correct.
It's a
Why particularly from here?
because this is at the most east coast. So
Yes.
there's no end. If you want to go to the end, you have to jump in the water.
Correct. So
And here's the
we
Konark.
see the sun coming from. Yeah, here's Konark. There it is, Konark. So we see the sun coming from.
Here.
Yo, as if it's coming out of Bay of Bengal. Correct.
Yeah. And it's then the sun can burn off Bay of Bengal because it's water. It's a complete circle like Japanese.
Okay. What is Japanese circle?
Japanese flag.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the Japan flag has a circle in it. Okay. There's one country which is called the Land of Rising Sun.
Japan.
Japan. Very good, because it's in the eastern corner. All right. Moving on to next. We have done Orissa for temples. Then we have
Minerals.
minerals from Bihar. Where is Bihar? Bihar is here. We have minerals from Bihar. Which all minerals do we have? So these are the minerals that we were talking about, the raw material available in India, right?
Emerald, gold, diamond,
Iron ore, you right? All that is copper ore. all that-
lapis.
Okay, lapis. All right, moving on to next. So we have Bihar for minerals. Then we have.
Gujarat for.
Okay, who's going to show me Gujarat first? On the count of three. One. Oh yeah, like that. Like that. How will I know? You have to touch. Ponga, 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 ponga. Very good. So Gujarat for. Gujarat for peace. Why Gujarat for peace?
Because who's that?
Who is
the
that?
father of the nation was born in Gujarat.
Which place in Gujarat?
Porbandar.
Very good. So why Mahatma Gandhi is related to peace? Why are they saying peace?
Because Mahatma Gandhi never wanted to fight. He always followed a rule.
Yes, what was that rule?
Swachh Bharat.
Swachh Bharat was there. Very good. Even he said no violence, only peace.
Yeah, no violence.
No violence. Very good.
And
When
he
is
had
his
three
birthday?
monkeys.
When is his birthday?
2nd October.
2nd October is celebrated as
Gandhi Jayanti.
Gandhi Jayanti. It's a national holiday. Very good.
2nd October plus 8 days is our birthday.
2nd plus 8. So that makes 10th.
No!
Then.
2, 8, 28.
Oh, like that. Okay. So Gujarat for peace. Next we have.
Assam for tea.
Why Assam? Wait, where is Assam? Show me.
Assam, there.
Assam. Very good. So Assam for tea. I am not going to accept you're there. You have to come and touch. Show me. Anshi, tell me why Assam for tea.
Why Assam written here?
Earlier it was called Assam. That's how they call it. Assam. Awesome. Not like awesome, not like awesome. It's awesome.
Assam.
Assam.
And West Bengal.
Paschim Banga. Well, not Bengal. Banga. Paschim is west. In Hindi, west is called Paschim.
Bangladesh.
All right. So why Assam for tea? Because India's more than 50% of the tea is grown in Assam. So Assam
Then
for.
we have Rajasthan for history.
Show me Rajasthan, the big pink state. Yes. And which city is called the pink city?
Rajasthan.
Jaipur. Jaipur is also your IPL team.
No.
Right, nahi?
Rajasthan
Royals. Sorry.
That's why it's pink.
That's why pink. Okay.
Jaipur.
Jaipur is called the pink city. Okay. And why we say Rajasthan for history?
Because Rajasthan has history for
Thousands of years. Okay. It was the land of Indus Valley. Okay. Moving on to next. So we have
Jaipur is called
Rajasthan
the
for
pink
history.
city. Rajasthan is the land of Hindus.
Oh, Rando, abhi I have not told you. Indus Valley. You don't have to know about it. I haven't taught you that. Okay, moving on. So Rajasthan for history.
Maharashtra for victory.
Yes, they were the Marathas. What did they say always?
We are very brave and fought for victory.
And we will always fight for the victory. Alright. Then last one we have the tiny little one here.
Goa for beaches.
Very good. Now, have you been to Goa?
Yeah.
You like going to Goa? Ayan, shall we drive all the way to Goa or should we take a flight?
Like
No, let's drive. Ayan hates to drive to Goa, right?
5 years.
5 hours?
Yeah.
What 5 hours? But
2 hours.
it was almost 14 hours drive. Yeah, that's why you were so bored. Okay, now I want you to read the poem that we had learned. Only this part. Punjab for fighting, Bengal for writing. I want you to read that. Come on.
That was
Punjab for fighting.
Punjab for
Anu अच्छे से please मेरे बच्चे.
Punjab for fighting, Bengal for writing, Kashmir for beauty, Andhra for duty, Haryana for milk, Karnataka for silk, Kerala for brains, Tamil for grains, Odisha for
Louder.
temples, Bihar for minerals, Gujarat for peace, Assam for tea, Rajasthan for history, Maharashtra for victory, Goa for beaches,
And family for kisses.
no, family for screeches.
Screeches. So let's scream out. 1, 2, 3.
Screeches!